creating an easy DIY paint palette for oil paint. First, you'll need some aluminum foil, a pair of scissors, a piece of cardboard, and tape. You'll take a piece of aluminum foil, a little bit bigger than your cardboard. It works with both the shiny side out and the dull side. You'll lay your foil down, place your cardboard on top, and then fold the foil over just like you're going to wrap a present. Then you'll take your tape and you'll tape down the foil. Any tape will work. Ta-da! You are ready to paint. An idea for storage is to place your paint palette in a container. Helps keep the air out. In this case, I'm using an old puzzle tin, but any container will work.